Hello everyone, myself Saurabh Galande. I am a third year student of Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies. As a part of my EVS assignment, I am going to take you on a virtual tour of Nepal. It is a landlocked country located in South Asia. It is mainly situated in Himalayas but also includes the part of Indo-Gangetic Plain bordering Tibet of China to the north and India in south, east and west. Talking about the flag, the red color is traditional Nepalese color and the blue outlined edge represent the country's peaceful nature. The two triangular portions of the Nepalese flag represent the Himalayan mountains and the two main religions, Hindu and Buddhism. The moon and the sun originally represent the royal family and the prime minister's family. It also represents the country's desire to live long as sun as moon. Currency used in Nepal is Nepali rupee. 1 Nepali rupee is equal to 0.60 Indian rupees. Spoken in Nepal is Nepali language. 3 special facts of Nepal. Flag of Nepal is only flag that is not quadrilateral in shape. The abdominal snowman Yeti is legendary upper-leg creature that is believed to be seen in the high valleys of Nepal. Nepali time is 45 minutes of the coordinated universal time. The time in Nepal is based off of the Mount Everest and not on the time zones. 3 major cities of Nepal. Kathmandu. It is the capital and the largest city of Nepal, also known as the City of Temples. The population here is 1,442,271. Pokhara. It is the largest metropolitan city in terms of area and second largest in terms of population. It is located 200 kilometers west of the capital Kathmandu. The population here is 200,000. Viratnagar. It is located 399 kilometers of east from the Kathmandu. It is the metropolitan city of Nepal. The highest peak of world is Mount Everest, situated 174 kilometers north of the city. The population here is 242,000. 5 tourist destinations in Nepal. Pokhara is a tourist capital of Nepal at an altitude more than 900 meters. It is one of the highest cities. Kathmandu, the city of peace, lives true at its description. The city is charming, busy, bustling, surf, alive and asleep all at once. The capital of Nepal, Kathmandu, is the most accessible city in the country. Lumbini. Lumbini is nested in Himalayas near the Indian border. The beautiful town of Lumbini is the birthplace of Lord Buddha. Lumbini is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and has ancient stupas dating to 2000 years and monasteries that are well built at the past by dynasties. Sagarmatha National Park. Sagarmatha National Park is a wildlife sanctuary that is well known to the people for this location, which is dominated by the Mount Everest in Himalayas of eastern Nepal. Nagarkot. Nagarkot is located at the 28-kilometer drive from Kathmandu. Nagarkot offers one of the best views of the Himalayas in the entire region. It has the altitude of 7,000 feet, located at the edge of the Kathmandu Valley. 5 famous dishes of Nepal. Cholia. Cholia is a specialty of Nepalese Newari community and it consists of grilled meat, either of water buffalo, chicken or mutton. The dish is characterized by its spices coming from green and red chilies along with the spices coming from turmeric and fenugreek. Sethi roti. Sethi roti is an aromatic Nepalese donut-like bread consisting of rice flour, sugar and butter. The dough is additionally flavored with spices such as cardamom and cloves. The ring-shaped dough is traditionally baked on both sides. Sethi roti is usually served with tea and similar. Quethi. Quethi is a traditional Nepali stew consisting of different types of beans such as white peas, chickpeas, soya beans, mung beans, kidney beans and black-eyed peas. The stew is additionally flavored with turmeric, ginger and salt and ajwain cove seeds. Yomari. Yomari is a flavorful Nepali rice flour dumpling stuffed with molasses. It is prepared in triangular shape which is then steamed and served hot. The dessert is especially popular during the month of Sukti. Sukti is a unique Nepali dish consisting of dried meat such as lamb, which is cut into thin slices and marinated in cumin, turmeric, black pepper, coriander, chili, ginger and garlic onion paste. It can be consumed as it is, but it is also can be charboiled and spiced, then served as an appetizer or snack. Thank you for watching my video.